and you walked out singing and doing some impersonations. And my first thought was, oh my goodness, can he just get off stage already so I can get to Tucker? And before I knew it, you're singing "God Bless America" by Lee Greenwald. My phone is up in the air. The light on my phone is out. I'm swaying back and forth. I'm crying. I'm singing. I'm kumbaya. I'm remembering why we're in the battle in the first place. And it is not about red shirts versus blue shirts. It quickly became God truly bless our country. And I just remember like a shift happening in my own mind and in my own spirit.